Dear friends, good morning to all. Today let us discuss a topic which is the relief features of India from SSC Social Studies Chapter 1. What is meant by relief feature of India? Relief features in the sense the varieties of landforms which are existing in our country is called as relief features. Before we enter into the topic, let us see what is the location of our country. We know that there are imaginary lines horizontally and vertically on the globe which are called latitudes and longitudes. Horizontal lines are called as latitudes and vertical lines are called as longitude. If you want to see our country's location, we need to know in between which latitudes and longitudes India lies. So India lies between 8 degree to 37 degrees 6 inches north latitude and between 68 degree to 97 degree 26 minutes east longitude. So it belongs to Asian continent. It lies in northern hemisphere. These are the other features of our country. And you all know that the longitudes which are mainly used for the time, we have 0 degree longitude which is also called as prime meridian or GMT, which is passing through London. And when we come to India, we see the sun rises in the east, and so sun rises early in Arunachal Pradesh, which is on the east, and there the sun rises earlier than the Gujarat, which lies in the west. And if you see the differences of time between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, it is almost 2 hours. So when we are following two different timings in the same country, we get lot of confusion. For example, the market, the timing of bus and aeroplane and trains and market timing, this all will lead lot of confusion. Hence, we have decided to take the longitude which is passing through the middle of our country as our Indian Standard Meridian. So according to that, we have decided that 82 degree 30 minutes longitude which is passing through the Allahabad in UP is considered as Indian Standard Meridian. So why we have taken the time of that particular longitude, in the sense, if you are using different timings in our country, it creates lot of confusion. It's a very important point. Hence every country follows its own longitude which is passing through the middle of their country in order to avoid this kind of confusion. So according to that, we have taken 82 degree 30 minutes longitude which is passing through Allahabad in UP as our Indian Standard Meridian. So if you see the differences of time between prime meridian, which is 0 degree longitude, and IST is almost around 5.5 hours ahead. India's standard meridian or India's timing is almost 5.5 hours ahead from prime meridian. So that is also very important. For example, if time is 1 p.m. in prime meridian, then when it comes to India at the same time, you have to add 5.5 hours. That means 6.5 hours will be the time when it is 1 p.m. in GMT. That means in London. So let us see about the relief features. Relief feature in the sense, as I already told you, that relief feature means the varieties of landforms. The land is not same. There are hills, there are mountains, there are plains, deserts and islands. So India is having all kind of landforms. About that we discuss in the next session.